Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We've got another unboxing of another low-end tablet. This is the Fire 7 from Amazon, and this is the new version that they say is faster than the old one. It is $50. You get a 1024 by 600 7-inch display. It's got the micro SD card slot, quad-core processor, dual-band Wi-Fi, and front and rear cameras. We're going to have a full review of this soon on my main channel at lon.tv in probably a couple of days, so stay tuned sometime next week. And this is the one I got. Apparently I got the green one here. There's a few different colors available. These are not super high quality tablets, but I found they are pretty rugged. I've been using the older version of this with my toddler, both of my toddlers actually, and it survived both of them with the kid case. There's a kid version of this available that's the same tablet, but just with a big cushiony case there. Plastic screen, nothing spectacular. Looks pretty good though. It's IPS, and I've always been pleased with what Amazon delivers for the price point. Your SD card goes in there. You got a headphone jack, a regular USB connector there, a micro USB for charging. I'm guessing OTG as well. Volume, power, and that is it. So it looks nice though. Nice sharp screen. Very nice. Let's see what else is in the box. And I think the only other thing we get here is the power connector and the power cable. So what we're going to do with this is get it all set up. I'm going to have a full review coming soon on the main channel at lon.tv. And if there's anything specific you want to see in that review, do let me know down in the comments section. Until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.